In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F05 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by accessing clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus next to three dots and create new alarm by adjusting all of those options. Firstly, set up an hour. Then click on days of the week and tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch them off or on. You can even select alarm background only for this alarm by hitting here, tapping background and selecting the best option for you. Now tap on all of those options to adjust each one. Snooze, vibration pattern, and even alarm sound. Here you can adjust volume, pick one of those sound sources, tap on those two switchers next to those two features to switch them on or off, and even click on this plus at the top right corner to pick any song from your device. Click on it, hit save, and go back. To pick one of those sounds, click on the best one, and go back again. Now choose alarm name to name it and hit save. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it. To adjust it, click on it, manage it and hit save. And to get rid of it, just hold it and tap on delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!